In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create receive money rules on bank rules in Xero. Setting up receive money rules is a great way to automate your bank reconciliation and save time, especially if you regularly receive similar types of payments, like rental income, regular customer deposits, or interest income. Once these rules are in place, Xero can automatically suggest how to code those incoming transactions for you. Let's start from your Xero dashboard. From here, look towards the top of the screen for the main menu bar. Find the option labeled Accounting and click on it. This is where you'll find most of your core financial tools in Xero, including bank accounts, reports, and of course, bank rules. After clicking on Accounting, a drop-down menu will appear. In that menu, look for and select Bank Rules. Go ahead and click on Bank Rules to open the page where you can create, view, and manage both spend money and receive money rules attached to your bank accounts. On the Bank Rules page, you'll usually see tabs or options for different types of rules. Here, you want to focus specifically on the rules for money coming into your bank. Look for the option that says Receive Money Rule and click on it. This makes sure that the rule you're about to create will apply to incoming transactions, not outgoing ones. Next, you'll create your new rule. On the Receive Money Rules section, look for a button that says Create Rule and click it. This will open a form where you define exactly how Xero should recognize and process these incoming transactions. Now it's time to fill in the details. This is the most important part. Start by giving your rule a clear, descriptive name so you can easily recognize it later, such as monthly rent received or online sales deposits. Then set the conditions that tell Xero when to apply this rule. For example, you might base it on text that appears in the bank description, the reference, or the amount. The goal is to make the condition specific enough that it catches the right payments, but not so specific that it rarely triggers. After that, choose which account in your chart of accounts the money should be allocated to, such as an income account. If necessary, you can also set tracking categories or splits, depending on how you need the income recorded. Once you're happy with all the details, scroll down and click on Save. Xero will now store this receive money rule and start suggesting it for any future bank transactions that match the criteria you've set.